Thomas stopped at a siding, there was always a bulldozer there. He didn't mind. He thought the bulldozer was friendly. Thomas every day parked at the same siding. One day, Thomas was running a bit late. He had been working hard all day. He thought the bulldozer would be on the siding and wasn't looking where he was going. Unbeknownst to him, a small bulldozer that had derailed. He was laying on the tracks right in front of Thomas. Thomas didn't realize it, but when he did, he put on his brakes. He tried and tried to fight the gripping rails, but it was too late. Thomas smashed into the bulldozer, knocking him right off the rails.